This is what it looks like when you're a trucker with sickle cell anemia and you're in Colorado for a snowstorm. So what you see here is my heating blanket that I bought. Then I threw my Raider blanket on top of that heating blanket. Now follow along because it's about to get interesting, because the temperatures were supposed to be sub-zero, which I had no idea what that was. So on top of the Raider blanket, we throw the blue blanket. As we sliding right along, down over my feet, I throw this gray blanket. You know what I'm saying? That way, with the heating blanket, the Raider blanket, the blue blanket, and this gray blanket, my feet will be extra warm. Then to top it all off, just for shits and giggles, I threw Black Santa on there. Because what's a blanket party without a Black Santa blanket? Everybody needs a Black Santa blanket. Then, just in case it get extra cold, seeing as how I said before, I have sickle cell anemia, I got this king size comforter, queen size comforter, whatever size comforter it was. And then now, because I knew I might get stuck in the snow, I stocked up on food, water. The only thing I didn't get was snacks, but as you see, I got my favorite food, which is breakfast food. I had some leftover chicken wings, plenty of water, Gatorade, thermal leggings, thermal shirts, wool socks. You know, see, as you see, like I said, plenty of water, plenty of Gatorade. I ain't gonna lie, I might have overdid it with the Gatorade. It's gonna take me forever to drink all that. I got a cup of noodles. I got microwave rice. I got soup, bowls, air fryer liners. Well, I had to take that air fryer liner back, but it is what it is. The air fryer. And then for the snow and the ice, I rigged together my own little ice scraper. You know what I'm saying? Gotta love ingenuity at its finest. Call me MacGyver of the ghetto. But hopefully that entertains y'all. Just what it was like to be a sickle cell anemic person that's a truck driver getting ready for a snowstorm.